Struggling to read emails comfortably on Gmail? Today, I'll show you a simple way to adjust your zoom settings and make your inbox easier on the eyes. Whether your text feels tiny or too large, this guide will help you get it just right. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Log into your account if you haven't already, and you'll land right in your inbox. Now, if the text seems too small, you can zoom in for a clearer view. On a PC, press and hold the Control key, and on a Mac, use the Command key. While holding it, press the plus key. You'll instantly see everything, emails, text, and images grow larger. Keep pressing plus until you reach a comfortable size. If things start looking too big, zooming out is just as easy. Hold Control or Command again, but this time press the minus key. Each press will shrink your view slightly, letting you fine-tune everything perfectly. These zoom settings are especially helpful if you switch between devices, like a small laptop screen and a bigger monitor, or just want to reduce eye strain while checking emails. And the best part? These controls aren't just for Gmail. They work on almost any web page. So whether you want bigger text for easier reading or a zoomed out view to see everything at a glance, this trick will make your Gmail experience much more comfortable. Try it out and enjoy a clearer, stress-free inbox. AL experience more organized and visually fun. Try it out and see how it transforms your inbox.